All right, so this video is going to be very short because we're just going to do question 10. Okay. All right. So if we evaluate the expression, all right, so the expression, let's copy it down and then let us evaluate it. Cos pi plus cos squared pi over 6 plus sine squared pi over 6 plus tan pi over 4. Okay. So to evaluate this, you need the unit circle. You can use other methods, but now because I know how to draw the unit circle from scratch, so I always keep it with me, but I can draw it at any time if I want to. So I've got a unit circle that is on hand as we speak. So, okay, here's a unit circle. So we're going to use it. Okay, we're going to use this one. So let's evaluate cos at pi. So as you know, if you've got the unit circle, right, it's got different values around it, right? So I think 2 pi is around somewhere here. Pi is here. And this would be 3 pi over 2. And then here it would be half a pi. Okay, so as you know, the unit circle has coordinates x and y. The x coordinate has to do with cos. The y coordinate has to do with sine. So if they say find the sine of pi, you come to pi, you look at the y value there. All right. Now they're saying the cosine at pi. Let's go to our unit circle. Let's check out. So there is pi, and it's got coordinates -1 and 0. So cosine will be -1 because that is the x value. All right. So we say -1 plus. Okay. Now pi over 6, it's cosine squared. So the cosine of pi over 6, we must square it. So the x value at pi over 6, right? Cosine, where is pi over 6? Here is pi over 6, all right? The cosine of that is root 2, it's root 3 over 2. And we must square that. It's root 3 over 2. So root 3 over 2. And it's cosine squared. Okay, let's do away with this. So the next one is sine of pi over 6. Sine squared of pi over 6. So the y value now, the y coordinate of pi over 6. So pi over 6 is this one. And sine is half. We must square that half. Okay. Plus half squared. So tangent, as you know, tangent theta is the same as saying sine theta over cosine theta, right? So this means that tangent pi over 4 is the same as taking the sine of pi over 4 over the cosine of pi over 4. So let's go and check out pi over 4. Where is pi over 4? Here is pi over 4. And the sine and the cosine are the same. It's root 2 over 2. All right? So one over the other. So we have sine, which is root 2 over 2. All over root 2 over 2, which will be like saying 2 over root 2. Okay. Now let's simplify. We have negative 1. Here we'll have, so if you square a square root, the square root will be removed. If you square 2, you will get 4. 1 squared is 1. 2 squared is 4. Here what will happen is they will all cancel. So you'll have 1. Because cancelling does not mean 0. It means 1. So this 2 goes into 2 once. So it's 1 and 1. 2 square root 2 goes into square root 2, 1 and 1. So 1 times 1 is 1 over 1 times 1 is just 1. So this is just 1. So in here, this one will cancel this one. And then since they have the same denominator, we can just add them. And we end up with 1. So our answer is 1. Let's check from our options. So our answer is number 4, 1. Okay, thank you guys. Have a good day.